My name's Lee Crew. I'm a co-owner of Ottomo Digital. We're a large format digital print company servicing all areas of the digital print industry. We've grown steadily year on year since we started the business, hence the reason for a new, faster machine to keep up with that.
When we first heard about the SureColor 3600, on paper it looked perfect. It had the print speed that we were looking for, bigger capacity inks, it had a heavy-duty take-up roll system.
We're kind of proud of it, really. It was nice to have one of the first ones in the UK, and the speed was very impressive, and value for money was a big factor in it. The printer just simply plugs into the 3-pin socket in the wall. It came with a set of inks, and we were printing by the end of the day. It was an important part of the business from the moment we started using it, really. Ever since it's been installed, it's been our go-to printer. This is our board of jobs for the day. First job is some posters. First thing we have to do, though, is swap out the banner material that we used yesterday and put some poster paper in. Changing media is a one-man operation, from getting the media out of the box onto the back of the printer, fed through and attached to the take-up roll. The beauty is it doesn't have a spindle going through the middle, so you don't have to put that in place before then taking it to the printer. And there's some media guides either side of the media which you can put in place to help keep the media nice and flat while you're printing. The printer's on wheels, so we can make the most of the small space that we've got. It's handy to be able to do it quickly and efficiently. The print we're going to do now is a 6-pass print onto poster paper, so it should print fairly quickly. The productivity of the printer was one of the key things that sold it to us. To be able to print at a quality as good as we have been printing, but 3 times quicker, it proved to be a big bonus. Having a printer that prints a bit quicker might mean you get home a bit quicker. It's always a good thing. Next job is a mesh banner that we're printing for a tennis club. We're going to print on a 2-pass high-speed mode, which is going to be 30 square meters an hour. The secret weapon, the 2-pass mode. 2-pass mode we use where the quality is not quite so vital, but it prints extraordinarily fast. Banners that would have taken us perhaps half an hour to print, we're now printing in a matter of minutes. One of the challenges of printing at this speed is making sure the ink's dry by the time it hits the take-up or hits the floor. The Epson's got a huge heater element on the front which enables it to come off, and by the time it gets to the bottom you can see it's completely dry to the touch. It speeds up that one end of the business. We then need to up production in the finishing side of the business to keep up with it.
Yeah, it's going good.
The next job is a high-quality job we need to do for a bank interior. We're going to run it on a 10-pass, 7.3 square meters an hour, and we're going to let that run overnight. Most of our jobs are last minute and it's very short turnaround time. The speed of the Epson means that most of the jobs we can run during a day now, but in extreme circumstances we will put on print to run overnight so we've got plenty to finish and get on with in the morning. Day to day, there's an awful lot that goes on in our business. It takes a lot to get a file via an FTP, to getting that printed, finished, packaged and ready for delivery. But having a reliable, fast, good quality printer is probably key to all of that. We do trust it.